Hey, what's up, Nicholas and Ron? It's Devin again. Thank you so much for speaking to me earlier, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. I'm going to briefly show you 3 things that I found on your website that you can fix really quickly so you can start bringing in more customers every day. Excuse me. You're probably wondering why I'm even making this video for you. It's really simple. There's a lot of small business owners out there I found that they're so busy taking care of their customers, they don't really have the time to learn how to make the internet work for them and bring in more of those customers. And the only thing really stopping them from hiring a marketing agency is they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. So I found that by just making these attack plans and just giving them away for free, there's still a lot of business owners who call me back going, you know what, I like you, Devin, can you just do this stuff for me? Whatever you want to do with this info is totally okay with me. You do it yourself. If you have me help you, it doesn't matter. All I ask you is send me some feedback. Let me know what you thought about the video. In looking at your website, I'm going to talk about 3 things: content, backlinks, and citations. Now, you do have a really beautiful website. I love this logo. It's very, very unique. It's really cool that you take Bitcoin and Litecoin here as well. It's very unique as well. You're obviously up to date, Veterans Day special, you know, stuff like that. It's a really clean looking website. Google just doesn't rank you based off of how good looking your website is. What they care about is how much content you have. And so content is all the stuff that you can read right here. And the average website on the front page of Google has about 2,000 words on their front page. If I look at what you have right now, you currently have 587. So you're going to want to get that up to 2,000 for sure. Now your main competitor is Fort Worth Air Conditioning right here, and you can see right away how dense their words are. I don't know how it is. I'm sure it's not 2,000. It's definitely more, but let's see. Even if it's, let's see. Yeah, they're at 1,200. So they're still not at 2,000. You get yourself to that 2,000 word mark, you're going to blow them out of the water. You also want to make sure that you have the proper keywords within your text. So you want to have stuff like AC repair Fort Worth. So you don't have AC repair Fort Worth anywhere on here, and people type that in a lot. So that's just another quick tip. And my second tip is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website is linking to you, driving traffic to you. And this is important because Google's kind of like a popularity contest, and they want to see a bunch of other websites vouching for you. Keep in mind, though, they do want to see relevant links, which means they're going to give you a lot more power if you have other HVAC companies linking to you versus if you had, like, you know, Pizza Hut linking to you, because Google knows that you're not a pizza company. So the tool that I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. You don't have to use it. There's a bunch of other free tools out there, but it does give you a lot of really valuable data. And so it says April 6, 2016 is when you first started getting links. It really spiked in July of 17, and then you've kind of tapered off. And you're currently sitting at 42 websites linking to you. If you want to beat Fort Worth Air, that's sitting at 123. So if I were you, I'd get yourself to about at least 150 to blow them out of the water. And how I would do that is copy them. Just go see all these different websites that are linking to them, visit these sites, create profiles on them, and put the link in your profile, or just click the contact us button and contact them and get away, or talk to them about getting a link from their site onto your site. And by copying these guys with all their backlinks as well as beating them in content, that's how you end up taking their #1 spot organically. You can also pay for ads to be on the homepage. So that'll be 2 spots that you show up if you want to. The last place you can show up on the homepage, number 3, is right here. And getting here, you can do this for free. You just need to have more citations than your competitors. A citation is anywhere where your name, your address, and your phone number are listed in different directories. And a directory is just a website that allows you to list your business's information, such as, like, you know, Yelp and Yellow Pages and stuff like that. If I were you, I would just go figure out what directories Fort Worth Air Conditioning is listed in, go list yourself in those same ones, and then add a bunch more on top. Like if they're in 150 directories, I'd be putting myself in like 250, if not 300. That's all I've got for you. I try to keep this short and to the point. I hope you found this really informative and helpful. As a really quick recap, you're going to want to have your website up to about 2,000 words on this homepage, and you're going to want to have keywords inside of it. You're going to want to make sure that you have about 150 total referring websites linking to you. Just make sure they're relevant. And then you also want to put your name, address, and phone number in more directories than these guys. And by following these tips, you can be #1 across Google in 3 different places right away. So with this information, you're probably wondering, what do I do now? You have 2 things you can do. You can take this information, you can apply it to yourself, and you can rank your website and take this information and build a ton of business. And I hope you do that. I always look forward to seeing people thrive, and I would love to hear your feedback on what you thought about this information. If you want to just continue running your business, but you want this stuff done for you, you don't really want to do it yourself, you can always give me a call. My phone number is in that email that I sent you. And, you know, I'll see if I can help you. If I can't help you, I'll at least guide you in the right direction. Either way, I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. I look forward to hearing back from you, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.